Alright, this is Caleb from FSU. Zane, he quit BMX. Sorry we haven't been able to do any riding videos yet lately. Or we haven't uploaded any at all. But to replace Zane, we have John. He's recording right now. You'll see his bike in a second. I haven't been able to ride very much. I had almost a fractured ankle for a few weeks. But anyway, besides that, here's my bike updated. I got some S&M FU bars, 10 rides, 30 wide, some stolen Sunday front load. I can't remember, Sunday Freeze front load. Colt Vans tires, gum. Really nice. Demolition Concord forks, version 3 I think, version 2 maybe. Redline cranks, Odyssey $1 million sprocket, 28 tooth, Odyssey twist PC pedals. Got some Verde Regent wheels, backs they're all sealed, 9-tooth driver. Going to the back, it's a Verde Pendleton pivot seat with a poverty pivot seat post. Fit OG 4.25 inch peg in the back, and a Odyssey, I can't remember the name of it, 4 inch, something like that, 389 maybe. In the frame's a 21 inch fit matte. That was like a 13.25 back in, I think. Really short. Love it for manual. Really nice. Grips or Fly Devon Smiley. Bar ends or Shadow Conspiracy. I'd highly recommend the grips. I'd highly recommend almost anything on this bike. Really nice setup. Not to brag about it or anything. The bottom bracket is a Mankind, I'm pretty sure. Then I got some Demolition tub guards, so that's it. Now we're on John's bike.
The guy that had it before me must have loved stickers. He put stickers all over it. But this is a Redline 1.2 frame, 20.75 top tube, and started off, these grips are Colt Vans. They have animal bar ends, United Supreme bars. The stem, it is a stolen convict stem. I have a Sapient front rim, Sapient fork, Sapient seat, a Cinema back rim, a Redline back peg that's been used a lot, GT cranks. They're holding up really good. They're solid chromoly. They're probably the best cranks I've had. Just the weight is pretty bad. The sprocket is the old one that you have seen on Caleb's bike. It's the Mongoose 900, and it hasn't bent or anything on me yet. I have stolen Thermalite pedals with metal pins. They just help you grip a lot better. I have the front peg is a Fit OG, and yeah, I think I've covered everything so far. And I have a sealed bottom bracket, soon to get sealed rims, but I just gotta save up some money. And ride's really smooth. I would recommend on this bike the tires, but if you want a squeaky tire, I'd go with the Colt tires. The Demolition, oh not Demolition, sorry. The bars are really light. That's what I like about it. And I'd also recommend, well, probably that's about it. And if you like grippy grips, Colt Vans, those are some of the grippiest grips I've found. Looks like someone just Never mind.
Yeah. All right, here, take this. I'll just keep playing it. All right. Well, anyway, at the beginning I said Zane's out of BMX. He might come back into it. We don't know about that yet. He's still trying to decide. Not only BMX on our channel, we'll be doing some skateboarding, but just a whole lot of BMX. That's mainly all we're going to be covering. Skateboarding every now and then, but mainly BMX. So, thanks guys. We'll try to get some riding clips up soon, but hopefully my ankle's all the way healed up here soon. So, we'll see you later.